Good morning, guys. Welcome back to your English class. I hope that you had a great vacation and we are going to start. Okay, welcome back again and let's start. Okay, today let's see first the objective, that is to talk about cultural activities using the present simple. And of course, we have to start with the classroom rules, right? Do you know what are they? Let's check. We have 6 sentences. Okay, turn on or off your camera or microphone also. Listen and pay attention to the class. I don't understand. Please click and join the group selected. I'm struggling with my internet. Sorry for being late. Let's check. For example, number one. Do you identify? This is number one. When you have to turn on or off your cameras or also your microphones. Don't forget. Pay attention to the class. Remember that when teacher is speaking, when teacher is explaining a class, you have to pay attention and listen. I don't understand. Remember that if you don't understand, maybe you have some questions, you have to ask to your teacher. Please click and join the group selected. Yes, let's check this picture that says that you are going to work in groups. Yes, you have to join with your groups. Let's continue. Number 5, I'm struggling with my internet. It means that you have some problems, maybe, right? You have some connection problems. Okay, don't forget that. And sorry for being late, that is number 6. Sorry for being late when you are not on time. Remember that if your class starts at 8, you must be at 8. Yes, if your class starts at 8:30, maybe you must be punctual. You must be at 8:30. Okay, so these are the classroom rules. Let's continue. What is the topic of today? Today we are going to talk about present simple. And let's remember, okay, let's remember, when do we use it? We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, and general truths. Okay, so we are going to check some grammar and then complete some exercises. Present simple. Let's check this chart. Okay, and we are going to add es to the verb in the third person in positive. Okay, do you remember what is the third person? Let's continue. We use auxiliary do or does plus not in negative form. Okay, let's see. Positive, yes, you can say I work, I like, you do, they have. Yes, what is the third person? Remember that we are going to work with, look at it, he, she, and it, right? For example, he works, she likes, it does, or it has, right? Let's continue now. The negative form, you can say I don't or I do not. Remember that we can use do not or the contraction or the short form that is don't, right? I, we, you, they don't, and the third person that is he, she, it does. Okay, or you can say also does not. Plus the verb, of course. You can change this verb. These are only examples. Okay, remember when you work with negative, you have two auxiliaries, don't and does. Okay, let's continue. Now that we already checked this grammar chart, we have the rules, right? We must add s to the verb in affirmative form, positive form, in the third person. Take a look to these rules. Okay, we have 3 rules. In general, of course, we add just s, right? Now we have this second rule. Verbs ending in consonant plus y, right? Similar to study, cry, try, spy, and fly. What happens? We add IES, right? We have to drop Y, yes, or erase Y, and add IES. And the next rule is verbs ending in O, remember, is H, TH, X, or double S. We are going to add ES. For example, go goes, wash washes, watch watches, mix mixes, kiss kisses. Okay? So it's very important for you to remember these rules in order to complete, yes, your example, your exercise. Yes. Now that we already checked these rules, we are going to complete. Look at these sentences and complete. We have the positive and the negative form. Yes, for example, I like fruits. Negative form, let's check. I don't like fruits. Yes, remember that you can say also, I do not like fruits. Okay? Number 2, we don't love flying kites. We love flying, right? Let's continue with number 3. It's in positive. My son makes his bed. My son doesn't make his bed, right? Number 4. She doesn't feel so good. Number 4 is she feels so good. Remember the S. Okay, you have to add S to the verb. Feels, right? Number 5. They don't speak English. Very easy sentence. Number 5. They speak English, right? And the last one, my brother has black hair. My brother doesn't have black hair. Okay? So let's remember that we are going to work today with positive and negative sentences. Okay? Let's continue. Now look at this exercise. You have 10 sentences, right? And you have to order them. This work, yes, this job, you are going to work with your teacher at class. Okay, so please check this information and be ready for that. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys. Have a nice week, and I hope you enjoy your English class. Thank you very much.